Hello, what is up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a night routine. Today I am doing a deep clean in my room before I touch my bed. Usually I do not do this. This is not a set routine, so to say, but I will say that this clean of my room, it really did need it, and I had just got back from a run, so I was feeling pretty productive. So usually for my nighttime routines, I like to just, organize any little mess that I had during the day, and that way I could feel nice and clean for when I'm resting and just feeling stress-free. So right now you're just going to see me basically deep clean my whole room and my bathroom. So as I'm cleaning and organizing, I thought to show you guys my lashes that I really, really like. I got them from, I believe, Amazon or somewhere online. No, I didn't get it from Amazon. I got them from the beauty supply store, and I love the way they look at my eyes. You can see I just hit the shit out of my elbow. I've been hitting myself a lot lately by accident. I guess I'm just not aware of my surroundings sometimes, but it's been more frequent. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know. I think I'm just a girl.
What?
So I'm actually really proud of myself with this video. Although there's been little mistakes, I really don't care. I'm still gonna post it. But I've been getting better at my editing and the way I record my videos, which I really like. And yeah, I've been having fun with it, so enjoy. And I was just now realizing for the past 3 videos, I'm in the same piece of clothing. And it's because that's usually what I wear for my workouts and things like that. So I've been working out a lot. Don't worry, it's clean, but I just need to get more gym clothes. I like the way that fits me, so I wear it all the time and it just makes me feel nice. But I also need to get more. So yeah. As you can see, there is a lot that had to be done, so I'm just taking care of it all now, because once I go to bed, let me tell you, that night's rest was the most calming, and I was actually ready for bed. Lately I have been having a hard time going to bed early, and I've been having a lot of energy during the nighttime. So I'm not gonna lie, this time frame was around maybe 11 o'clock when I started doing this cleaning and stuff like that, and then I didn't even finish until at 1 o'clock in the morning, which again is not the ideal time. But with me doing all this stuff, it made me feel very complete, and it actually helped me go to sleep way quicker than I usually go to sleep. I reorganized my closet off camera. I know I should have recorded it, but I was just trying to get over with, so everything was nice and folded. I put my dirty clothes for the next day so I could wash them, so they're all in one place. And as you can see, I was done with my closet. I wasn't gonna bother it anymore because it was already getting late, but now I'm just gonna replace my stuff, clean a little bit, and then I finally could wash my booty. Do not judge my toilet seat, y'all. Story time. I sat on it and it broke. That's it. The toilet seat just told me that I was fat. It was closed just like that, and I sat on it and it just snapped. And I'm like, oh, so I need to just hold off on the muffins then, because what the hell? Why did it just break just like that? Anyways, back to the video. My favorite time of the night is to wash my butt. The bar soap that I'm using is Dr. Bronner's, is the baby one. And then I go in with the raw sugar soap. That's a good soap because it smells good, one, and two, it leaves my skin feeling so soft. And then I go in with the body oil. It's the selfcare. I got that from Ulta, and ever since then, it lasts me a long time, but the thing broke. Like, I broke it, the pump. So now I have to just, use it, unscrew it, and, pour it in my hand. But it lasts a long time. I got it like around last year, so I recommend that, and it smells really good. I also like to spray some perfume so I can smell good at night and feel confident when I'm in my dreams and stuff. And I like to do my cuticle oils. As you can see, my nails are very, very long for me. And yeah, I just like to do a little self-care before going to bed. And then when I wind down, I don't really like to scroll. So what I would do is just color on my iPad, or actually read a book, or do like word puzzles or something like that. But tonight I just chose to wind down with a little bit of coloring, and you can't really see it, I'm just laying there. But things that help me wind down is basically tiring your mind out and doing things that you need to do productively. And then that way your mind can just calm down and wind down and know that it's time to go to sleep. Because if you try to go to bed straight off scrolling, it's not gonna work, or you're just gonna be laying there. So just try to set the mood, calm yourself, calm your nervous system, and there you go. You will be relaxed and ready to go to bed, because I know I was. But this is the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, subscribe, like my video, and I will see you in my others yet to come. Thank you, and bye bye.